All right, today we are diving deep into a business model that is, frankly, changing the game for how work gets done. We're talking about the AI automation agency. Let's get right into it.
So, does this sound like you? You're drowning in tasks. Your email is just a complete disaster. And you keep hearing about all these new AI tools that are supposed to be magic, but honestly, who has the time to figure them all out? Yeah, you are definitely not alone.
And that brings us to this weird paradox, right? We have more technology, more software, more apps than at any point in history, but it feels like we have less and less time. Why is that? Well, it's because managing all that tech has turned into a full-time job on its own.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with the automation overload. Then we'll meet the efficiency architect, peek inside an agency's blueprint, figure out how to find your first client, and wrap up with why the future is, without a doubt, automated.
Okay, first up, the automation overload. This is the heart of the problem we're talking about. Businesses get it. They know they need to use AI, but when they look around, the sheer number of options is just paralyzing. And trying to get all those different tools to talk to each other, it's a massive headache.
So what's the answer? Well, this is where our hero enters the story. Let's call them the efficiency architect. And that is exactly what an AI automation agency is.
So what is an AI automation agency, or AAA for short? Think of it as a new kind of business partner. Their one and only goal is to make a company hyper-efficient. They don't just sell you some off-the-shelf software. They get in there, they learn your business, and they build custom AI-powered workflows that fit you like a glove.
And I really love this way of thinking about it. A digital efficiency architect. You know how a regular architect designs a building so people can move through it easily? Well, a digital architect does the exact same thing, but for your business processes, using AI and automation as their building materials.
And this comparison makes the difference crystal clear. A traditional agency, that's on the left, is looking outward. Their job is to bring you new customers using ads, social media, you know the drill. But an AI automation agency, on the right, looks inward. They're focused on your internal engine, making sure everything from customer support to data entry is running as smoothly and automatically as possible.
Okay, so we know what they are, but how do they actually do it? Let's take a look inside an agency's blueprint and see how the magic happens.
It really just comes down to 3 core steps. First, they do an audit. They comb through your current workflows to find all the repetitive, time-sucking tasks, the bottlenecks. Second, they build the custom automations to eliminate those problems. And third, and this is key, it's not a one-time fix. They stick around to optimize and maintain those systems, making sure they keep running perfectly.
Now, they aren't just inventing this stuff from thin air. They're using a really powerful toolkit. You've got tools like Zapier and Make.com that act like digital glue, connecting all your different apps. Then there's VoiceFlow for building smart AI chatbots. And of course, the OpenAI API for the brainpower. It's all about knowing how to combine these tools for maximum impact.
So, how do they get paid? Well, there are usually 3 main ways. You've got your standard project-based fee for a single job. Then there's a monthly retainer for ongoing support, which makes a lot of sense. But my favorite is the performance-based model. The agency actually gets a piece of the money they save or generate for the client. Now that's putting your money where your mouth is.
Okay, this all sounds fantastic in theory, but where is the actual demand? Where are the clients? Let's dig into where the biggest opportunities are hiding at this very moment.
And the opportunities are absolutely massive, especially in a few key areas. E-commerce and real estate are right at the top of the list. Just think about it for a second. E-commerce shops are just buried in customer service requests and order tracking, and real estate agents spend so much of their time just scheduling viewings and following up with leads. These are perfect, juicy problems that AI automation can solve beautifully.
And the results can be pretty staggering. I mean, look at this quote. An AI assistant handling 60% of your scheduling? That's not just a small improvement. That is a total game changer. That's a person who can now focus on closing deals instead of playing calendar Tetris. The return on investment is huge.
And when you see that kind of impact, you realize this isn't just some passing trend. It's a fundamental transformation in how business is done. And that brings us to our final point. The future is automated.
If you want to understand just how big this is, just look at this number, $15 trillion. That's the estimated economic impact of AI by the year 2030. These AI automation agencies, they're the ones on the ground helping every kind of business get a piece of that pie.
Which really just leaves us with one final thought. This wave of automation, it's a tidal wave.
It is coming, whether we're ready for it or not. So the real question isn't if it's going to change everything, it's how you're going to respond. Are you going to be the one who learns how to surf it, or are you going to be the one who gets swept away?